Alright, so isang magandang tanghali po muli sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone! Hello po sa ating mga bisita. Hi po to all our beloved guests and family who are here for this afternoon. And syempre naman po, bago natin tuloy ang bisa ng ating program this afternoon, nice ko na po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga guests. And I also want to check your vibe and your energies. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari mo ba ako makarinig po mula sa inyong lahat, isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Yes, ganyan dapat ang energy natin ngayong hapon. And at the same time, ganyan dapat tayo masaya. Because I always say, rain or shine, the show and the program must definitely go on ngayong araw na ito. By the way, good afternoon once again to each and every one of our beloved guests na nandito po ngayong hapon. And welcome aboard here at the Aura Villa, San Maria, Bulacan. And tulad nga nagsabi ko kanina, once again, this day is a celebration and rain or shine, the show and the program must definitely go on as we are all gathered here to witness and to celebrate the first birthday and the christening celebration of Baby Jewel. And syempre naman, hindi po tayo tuluyang makakapag-umpisa ng ating program kung wala po dito sa gitna ang ating birthday celebrant kasama ang kanyang mga magulang. So that is why, let's serve naman po nila na salubungan natin sila by means of a grand entrance. Okay? So before anything else, I think we're all set. By the way, please bear with us all throughout the program para syempre po, no, hindi lang si Baby Jewel and her family ang mag-enjoy ngayong hapon, kung hindi kayo rin pong lahat. Okay? And to proceed with our main event this afternoon, I believe handang-handa ng lahat. And you've all been waiting for this. It's about time that we are going to make this happen right now. But before anything else, may I request lang po ang lahat. Magsipagtayo lang po tayo, everybody. Ayan, everybody, let's stand up. Because I believe that it is now time as we are now going to welcome on stage the grand entrance of our baby girl, birthday celebrant ngayong hapon together with her parents. And once again, kapag tinawag ko po ang kanilang pangalan, nais ko po sana hilingin ang konting pabor lang na once I call the name of our baby girl, kasama kanyang parents, salubungan naman natin siya isang malakas at masigawang palakpakan na may kasama sigawan. Pero bago yan, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question for everybody. Are you all guys ready? Pati ito nung yung naririnig ko, yung nasa tent, anong nangyari? So ba, once again, take two. Are you all guys ready? Ano sinasabi ko? Ganyan, dapat ibigay na natin ang araw na ito kay Baby Jewel. Dapat masaya at mataas ang level na energy natin ngayong hapon to celebrate her birthday and her christening. And with that being said, I think we're all good. That is why brace yourselves to want to get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only birthday celebrant for this afternoon together with her beloved parents, namely Mommy Abigail and Daddy Thor. Palakpakan naman natin once again, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Baby Jewel! Let's go! Palakpakan naman po natin.